Good morning, children, and this is your GK class. My dear, we are preparing these videos with much effort, and our effort will be success if you are watching and going through this video. So go through this each and every videos, pause wherever you are finding problem, and you will get the solution in our videos in each and every subject, my dear. Today we will study about our one of the seven wonders of the world, which is in our country, and that is Taj Mahal. See, we are going to study about Taj Mahal today. What is Taj Mahal, for what it is known, these all things we will study today. See, Taj Mahal is one of the seven wonders of the world. And who built it? Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built it. And why did he build? You know, my dear, he built it in the memory of his beloved wife, whose name was Mumtaz Begum. And before dying, Shah Jahan asked her wish, and she told that you should build such a monument that no one has built which type of monument in the world. And after her death, Shah Jahan built this monument. It is very beautiful monument, and it is a jewel of Indian art. The whole monument is built with white marble on the bank of river Yamuna. It is also known as the symbol of love. Why it is known as the symbol of love? You know, because Shah Jahan has built it in the memory of his wife. It is in the city of Agra, Uttar Pradesh. It is one of India's biggest tourist attraction, and Rabindranath Tagore refers it as the Taj Mahal as the dream of marble, because whole Taj Mahal is built up of white marble. It now holds a renowned place in UNESCO's World Heritage Site. My dear, UNESCO's World Heritage Site is a site where there are from the world collection from the world's best buildings are there. Best things to be visited are there in UNESCO's World Heritage Site, and in that Taj Mahal is also included. That's why it is known all over the world. See, it is built at the bank of river Yamuna, and on the full moon day, the reflection of the Taj Mahal gets into the river Yamuna, and it looks very beautiful, my dear. It is totally white because it is made up of white marble. And this is the picture of Rabindranath Tagore, who was a great poet, author, and he has written also about Taj Mahal, and according to him, it is the building of white marble, and according to that only he has explained it. And this is the picture of Shah Jahan, who has built the Taj Mahal. Shah Jahan was also known as a very good architect of Mughal Empire, because many buildings, Red Fort, Taj Mahal, and many more forts are built in Delhi by Shah Jahan. And so he is known as a very big architect of Mughal Empire. See the Taj Mahal, my dear, this tomb. Here it is the pool of water, and beside this there are garden, and it is decorated. It is built in a square shaped land, and this 4 pillars and this tomb makes it very beautiful. And after this, first of all, you will write the short notes on Taj Mahal, and then you will draw, color, and name the 5 sense organs. And before we have already studied about the sense organs in how many sense organs we are having, my dear. We are having 5 sense organs in our body. One by one I will show you and I will explain you the. See the nose. We use our nose to smell. Different type of smell. If there are yummy food also with some flavor, the smell of some flavor gets and we become happy that oh yummy because of flavor. We can identify the bad smell, good smell, smell of food, smell of paint, smell of diesel, petrol and many more things by the help of this sense organ. Now comes the turn of teeth. And what happens with teeth? We can taste each and every type of taste. Okay, whether it is sweet, sour, bitter, hot, cold, many types of sweet taste we can feel. We can taste and we can smell and say which ingredients are made. And that if we are not watching, then also we can taste and say that which thing we are eating. Now this is the wonderful creation of the world, and this is the most important part of our body, my dear, that is our eyes, by which we can see the wonders of the world which God has created. And we can identify everything, color, texture, with the help of our eyes. Ears, this helps us to hear, and we can differentiate between different sounds, whether ringing of the bell. We can identify the voice of our teacher, our friends, parents, any voice. We can identify with the help of, if we are not having, suppose, a blind person, how does they identify where they are? With the help of ears. If traffic sound is coming, that means we are close to road, we are close to the traffic. If some types of sound is coming, bell ringing, or if we are in the temple, different types of sounds come. If we are in a school, different types of sounds come. Sounds comes of children, teacher, teaching, and we can identify. If one sense organ is missing, then we can make over by the other sense organs. How I was explaining that with the eyes we can see the wonders of the world, and with the ears also we can identify many things, where we are in the present. We are at home, in the school, in the park, on the railway train, railway station, or in the park, traffic, wherever we are. If we can't see also, we can identify with the sound. Next is skin, and this skin helps us to feel whatever it is, cold, hot. If you are pinching also, we can feel. If someone is slapping, we can feel the cold, hot, pinch. This type of many feelings, and this skin is the covering of our body also. It saves our body heart. If this covering will not be there, then we will have to face a lot of problem. Now what's your homework? First of all, you will write the short notes on Taj Mahal, whatever I have written earlier, and then you will draw, color and name all these 5 organs. First of all, you will write SW and date in your copy, whatever is the date. Then you will write the Taj Mahal short notes. And after writing this, you will draw, color and name all the 5 sense organs in your copy. And which are the 5 sense organs? 1. Eyes, ears, tongue, nose, and this is skin. And you will do this work in very neat and clean way, my dear. Your handwriting should be very neat and clean, then only you will be given full CW SW marks for your work. Thank you, my dear.